Hello friends, today we're going to unbox Husky AI Lens. I have purchased it from Evalta website and they have given this 3D case for the Husky Lens as well. So let's unbox. So you can see, looks like it's the original one only, and by the way they are really cost effective compared to the other websites, and the price difference is really surprising. Slide it out and wow, cut it. And it's a pouch back, and wow, this is the one. And how to start it up? Micro USB power. So let me find out my micro USB cable. Got it directly from the power source using adapter. Now let me plug it in. And yeah, the Husky Lens logo came and immediately it switched to the main screen, the camera mode. And now I'm not sure which mode it is right now by default, but I need something for it to show. Fine, let's focus on this. And I'll press the button, object tracking. Okay, yeah, now it's tracking it. Now it's getting. I don't know, due to the low light, probably something is happening. Yeah, now it's good. Then I will try the color tracking, line, color recognition, and then this green color I want to lock, and then I'll take it out, bring it in. Yeah, good, nice. So it's working as expected. Thank you so much for watching. We'll try different Arduino projects using this.